everyone, welcome back. In this session, we'll be discussing about decorators. Decorators are basically used to add extra functionalities in an existing function without changing existing function. So here you can see we have a function difference and it takes two arguments a, b and it returns the difference between these two. So we can see I have passed 7 to 7. Let's quickly run this and you can see the result 5 minus 5. Now I want to create a decorator which will always subtract smaller value from the greater value. So for that we can simply create a decorator in this way. So I have created a decorator. It takes and returns a function itself. So in this function, it is checking if A is smaller than B, then we are just swapping the values. It is returning this function and at the end we are returning wrap. And to connect this decorator function with the existing function, we use @ then the decorator function name, which is great. Now let's run this script. I will just clear this and again run. You can see now the result is 5, 5. These are positive result. And if I just comment it out, because this way we can connect decorator and now the decorator is not connected. So you will get -5 only. And that's a wrap for today's session. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights like this.